Unboxed an Elgin Canteen watch. The seller informed the watch had not been molested or touched, never. So this came in the post today. And the watch is missing the crown cap, but we can see that the period strap used in these watches is the original, and the buckle is lost in some point of time. And we see that the watch is also has still the original glass, which was soldered into the case by means of a process called sweating. The watch is not clicking, fully wound. The setting mechanism works. So if we remove, we can see some heavy wear on the point where the lock pins normally rust away. So in principle we can see that this watch is a U.S.N 1553C. This means it should have an Elgin 539 movement. We will see. Going a little more in deep, we see that normally these watches had the keeper was fastened to this point in the case, and this is completely missing. There is some heavy rust. I can see some new signs that somebody tried or actually opened the back case. I can also see some lines of the case thread which are shiny. That could be that somebody already opened the case. This is the seller stated the case had not been touched. We can see also here some heavy wear of the glass, because these glasses were not shockproof, they normally shattered. The next step is opening the back case. I will use this adjustable wrench, more or less of the same period of the watch. The first indication is that the thread is loose. It was not adjusted, so somebody could have already been investigating the watch. This is normal in this type of watches. There is also some signature. That means that the watch, at least in one occasion, was serviced. And here we will use some pressure to the question now is, what will I find? No no signatures here, no signs of water coming inside. What we see is a clean Elgin 539 movement with the normal blackened wheels, and the watch is not ticking. We will use some very light pressure. Want to confirm the damage or what is happening with the balance wheel. I will use a brush to well, we have here a broken balance staff. Or misplaced, but I think it's broken. So we'll have to disassemble the whole thing and replace the balance staff. I do not think it's only some misplaced ruby or bearing, just the stuff is broken. Very badly. Okay.